The cost of one brise would reach as genuinely high as $1,000 by 2025, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert cost conjecture proposes a chance of brise exchanging between $1.05 to $1.05 in 2030, or so they really thought. In a bullish situation, Bitgert could generally outperform the $1.18 mark for 2050, exhibiting especially expected vertical energy, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The negative cost expectation for Bitgert brise in 2040 in every way that really matters is $118, with a likely sort of high of $142, which by and large is genuinely huge. With the genuinely current cost of $1,015, Bitgert truly holds its ground on the lookout, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Starting around 17 February 2024, Bitgert most certainly is exchanging at $1,015 in terms of its OST rate, with the value change of some 45% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes. Brise essentially has a genuinely all-out market cap of $59,366,302 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,843,657, or so they truly thought. This truly makes Bitgert brise genuinely positioning at 504 in the cryptographic money market, or so they thought. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitgert really be worth in 2024, or so they truly thought? Is Bitgert a very wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2024, which generally is genuinely huge? Will brise cost, all things considered, outperform its unequaled high? These really are our Bitgert cost expectations for brise's future, which basically is very critical. Bitgert brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the brise cost in every way that really matters is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a sort of normal value level of $1,000 to 1. The normal especially least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $1,000 to 1 in a very large manner. Besides, brise can, all things considered, arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $9,025 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert value expectation February 2024. Bitgert cost generally is supposed to especially reach between $9.14 to $9.16 in February 2024, while the truly normal cost of brise for the February truly remains around $9.16 brise value figure walk 2024. The Bitgert estimate for walk 2024 expects that the brise may especially arrive at a very greatest worth of $9.17 with an, in every practical sense, least cost of around $9.16 in an extremely large manner. Discussing the kind of typical value brise can sort of stretch around $net and X for spring. Brise value figure April 2024. The Bitgert estimate for April 2024 expects that the brise may especially arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $1.18 with an especially least cost of around $1.16, which basically is very critical. Discussing the fundamentally normal value brise can stretch around $10.17 for April in an unobtrusive manner. Brise value gauge May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Bitgert is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a very least value worth of $16 in an unpretentious manner. The brise cost could fundamentally arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest cost of $10.19 with the in every way that really matters normal cost around $10.17 in an especially large manner. Brise value conjecture June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Bitgert explicitly is supposed to truly arrive at a by and large least value worth of $17, exhibiting how Bitgert value expectation February 2024. Bitgert cost generally is supposed to by and large reach between $T$2014 to $16 in February 2024, while the very normal cost of brise for the February generally remains around $10.16 brise value estimate walk 2024. The Bitgert gauge for walk 2024 expects that the brise may especially arrive at a greatest worth of $17 with a really least cost of around $1016, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The brise cost could explicitly arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $10 in line with a genuinely normal cost around $1018 in a very enormous manner. Bitgert value expectation July 2024. Bitgert cost generally is supposed to generally reach between $8.17 to $2 in July 2024, While the in every way that really matters, normal cost of brise for the July for the most part remains around dollars and as $8 brise value figure August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Bitgert sort of is supposed to arrive at least value worth of $18 in an especially large manner. The brise cost could by and large arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $2021 with the sort of typical cost around $19, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitgert brise value expectation September 2024. The cost for Bitgert in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $19 and $22. Extremely further appearance how these in every way that really matters are our Bitgert cost expectations for brise's future, which generally is genuinely critical. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $9 in a huge manner. Bitgert brise value expectation October 2024. The cost for Bitgert in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $2,000 and $2023 in every practical sense as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $2,000 in an exceptionally large manner. Bitgert value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Bitgert explicitly is supposed to essentially be at around a truly least of $2,000, or so they really thought. Bitgert cost can, for the most part, arrive at an extremely limit of $4 with the kind of typical cost of $921 in ASD, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitgert brise value conjecture December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Bitgert in every practical sense is somewhat anticipated to truly arrive at a truly normal cost of $9.21, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $9.25 and a kind of least of $9.21, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitgert past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been for the most part diminished by 259% in its exceptionally current worth, or so they thought. In the event that we truly look at the exceptionally current market cap of the brise with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, showing the way that the brise cost could arrive at a really most extreme cost of $19 with the especially normal cost around $17 amazingly. From truly most recent 7 days, the brise basically was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 85%. Exhibiting how, with the ongoing cost of $19.15, Bitgert generally holds its ground on the lookout, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitgert certainly has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be decent and open door to basically dive right in and contribute, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value estimate 2024 facts. What will generally be Bitgert, all things considered, worth in 2024 amazingly? The brise cost basically is gauged to for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $9.25 with pretty least cost of $10